In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create solar system presentation in PowerPoint with Morph transitions. This effect adds smooth animation and movement to your slides, making your presentation feel modern, dynamic, and visually impressive. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can either create a brand new blank presentation or open an existing one where you want to add the solar system animation effect automated. Once PowerPoint is open, save your presentation with a suitable name, such as Solar System Presentation, so your work stays organized. Now head to the Insert tab located at the top of the PowerPoint window. Inside the Insert tab, click on 3D Models. PowerPoint includes a built-in library of 3D objects that you can use directly inside your slides. In the search bar, type Planets. You'll now see a collection of 3D planet models like Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and more. Browse through the options and select the planets you want to include in your presentation. After selecting your planets, click Insert. The 3D models will appear directly on your slide. Resize and position them however you like to create your initial solar system layout. Next comes the Morph animation setup. Right-click on the slide thumbnail on the left side and choose Duplicate Slide. This creates a second slide that PowerPoint will use for the Morph transition. On the duplicated slide, click on each planet one by one and change its position, size, or rotation angle. For example, rotate Earth slightly. Move Mars to another corner. Zoom Jupiter larger. Tilt Saturn for a different perspective. These changes are what create the animation effect during the transition. Once you've adjusted all the planets, go to the Transitions tab at the top of PowerPoint. From the transition options, select Morph. PowerPoint will automatically animate the movement and transformation between the first and second slide, creating a smooth cinematic effect. Now start the slideshow to preview your animation. You'll see the planets smoothly move, rotate, and transform from one slide to the next, giving your solar system presentation a professional and engaging appearance. You can continue